Welcome back. Jet Legends 2025 marks a new era in military aviation with the introduction of the MiG-41, a next-generation interceptor designed to redefine the boundaries of speed, stealth, and aerial dominance. Developed by MiG-41, the legendary Russian aerospace manufacturer, the MiG-41 is the successor to the iconic MiG-31 Foxhound, yet it is not merely an upgrade. It is a revolution. Built to operate in the most hostile and high-altitude environments, this aircraft stands as a symbol of Russia's cutting-edge technology and commitment to maintaining air superiority in the modern battlefield. At its core, the MiG-41 represents a perfect fusion of power and intelligence. This aircraft is designed for one primary mission: to intercept and destroy high-speed enemy targets long before they can pose a threat. It's not just another fighter jet, it's a hypersonic interceptor, capable of speeds beyond Mach 4.3. This makes it one of the fastest military aircraft ever conceived, able to cover thousands of kilometers in minutes. Such blistering speed allows the MiG-41 to chase and eliminate advanced threats, including hypersonic missiles and stealth bombers that traditional fighters could never catch. The design of the MiG-41 is equally fascinating. Its aerodynamic body is built using advanced composite materials that reduce radar visibility and enhance heat resistance. The sleek, angular frame minimizes drag while optimizing lift at extreme speeds. The black, stealth-coated exterior reflects minimal radar waves, granting it near-invisible stealth capabilities. Moreover, the large air intakes, variable geometry wings, and unique exhaust design ensure maximum efficiency even when flying at the edge of the stratosphere. Every contour of the MiG-41's body tells a story of precision engineering and unmatched performance. One of the most advanced features of the MiG-41 is its AI-assisted avionics system. Unlike older aircraft, which depend heavily on pilot input, the MiG-41 uses artificial intelligence to handle flight stabilization, target acquisition, and combat decision-making. This allows pilots to focus on strategy rather than manual control. The jet is equipped with the next-gen radar system capable of detecting targets at unprecedented ranges, reportedly over 400 kilometers away. It can track multiple targets simultaneously, lock on to the most dangerous ones, and launch countermeasures instantly. In terms of weaponry, the MiG-41 doesn't disappoint. It carries a lethal mix of long-range hypersonic missiles, anti-satellite weapons, and air-to-air interceptors. Some sources claim it can even operate laser-based defense systems designed to disable enemy missiles mid-flight. Its internal weapons bay helps maintain stealth by reducing drag and radar signature. The aircraft can also carry kinetic kill vehicles for high-altitude engagements, giving it the ability to strike threats even in near-space conditions, a capability no other jet currently possesses. Another groundbreaking feature of the MiG-41 is its ability to operate in near-space environments. This means the jet can reach altitudes of 60,000 to 70,000 feet, where the Earth's atmosphere starts thinning out. At such heights, traditional aircraft cannot maneuver or sustain flight, but the MiG-41 thrives. This gives it a tremendous tactical advantage, as it can engage incoming threats long before they enter standard operational zones. Furthermore, the MiG-41's advanced thermal shielding and adaptive flight control systems make it capable of operating in extremely low-pressure, high-temperature conditions at hypersonic speeds. The MiG-41 also marks a new leap in propulsion technology. Its engines are hybrid power units capable of switching between turbofan and ramjet, scramjet modes. At lower speeds, it uses conventional jet propulsion for takeoff and climb, but once it hits hypersonic velocity, the ramjet system takes over, allowing it to cruise effortlessly above Mach 4. This seamless transition between propulsion modes is what makes the MiG-41 truly a marvel of aerospace engineering. Moreover, it is expected to integrate advanced fuel efficiency systems, allowing long-range operations without frequent refueling. Another major highlight is the cockpit design, which combines futuristic technology with pilot comfort. The digital interface features holographic displays, enhanced navigation, and real-time battlefield updates. The pilot helmet is integrated with augmented reality systems, allowing 360-degree situational awareness even in limited visibility. Every piece of instrumentation is built for speed, accuracy, and minimal distraction, giving the pilot total control in high-pressure combat situations. When it comes to stealth, the MiG-41 outperforms many Western fighters. It's designed with radar-absorbent materials and a body geometry that minimizes reflection and infrared signatures. Even at hypersonic speeds, its thermal management system disperses heat to maintain a low infrared profile. This stealth performance makes it almost undetectable to enemy radar systems until it's already too late. The MiG-41's design philosophy is simple: see everything, be seen by nothing. In strategic terms, the MiG-41 plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of power in the skies. With its capability to engage both aerial and space-based targets, it extends the defensive perimeter of any nation that operates it. It's not just an interceptor, it's a guardian of airspace, capable of neutralizing future threats that may arise from advanced drone swarms, stealth bombers, or even orbital platforms. In a world where hypersonic and stealth technologies are evolving rapidly, the MiG-41 ensures that Russia remains ahead in aerial warfare capabilities. Production of the MiG-41 is expected to involve some of Russia's most advanced defense industries, combining the experience of the MiG-31 program with next-gen materials and digital manufacturing techniques. Though details remain classified, reports suggest that prototype testing has already demonstrated astonishing performance levels. Once operational, the MiG-41 will likely become the fastest and most advanced interceptor aircraft on Earth, capable of dictating the terms of engagement in any aerial combat scenario. Ultimately, the 2025 MiG-41 is not just a fighter jet, it's a symbol of the future of air combat. It represents human innovation, technological ambition, and the never-ending quest for superiority in the skies. From its hypersonic speed to its near-space capabilities, from its side-driven systems to its stealth perfection, the MiG-41 is a masterpiece born from decades of research and engineering brilliance. It stands as a clear message to the world: the race for aerial dominance has entered a new chapter, and the MiG-41 leads it with unmatched power, speed, and intelligence.